Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to discuss, is Cardano ADA worth investing in 2022? Let's get right into it. Cardano is regarded as a joke by many in the cryptocurrency field. Because of its lack of utility, some argue the blockchain is nothing more than vaporware. Those investors couldn't be more wrong. Cardano is on the verge of exploding with decentralized applications. The blockchain is supported by substantial research, excellent tokenomics, a straightforward staking architecture, and the advantages of being an EUTXO chain. Furthermore, the currency has historically been inexpensive, reducing the risk of overpaying. Due to the crypto community's overly bearish attitudes, investing in ADA has been the best risk-reward ratio. Here are some reasons why you should keep buying ADA on this dip and encourage others to do the same. Number 1. Historically low prices. Cardano has the potential to be one of the industry's most important blockchains, but the market isn't reflecting this. Following the much-anticipated Alonzo hard fork, which finally brought smart contract capabilities to the blockchain, ADA went into a slump. Because investors were unduly hopeful, anticipating dApps to be issued soon after the upgrade, ADA declined 62% over time. Due to concurrency concerns, dApps would take longer to launch on the ecosystem, much to their surprise. Developers appear to have recently discovered a solution to the problem. Charles Hoskinson, the company's founder, stated that there are 127 projects in the works, with many of them expected to be released in the first half of 2022. Sunday Swap, a leading decentralized exchange, DEX, opened last Thursday. ADA is inexpensive, and its utility is growing as more dApps are deployed. As a result, the coin is a smart investment. Number 2. Secure and peer-reviewed. Because of its rigorous development strategy, Cardano is one of the greatest possibilities for institutional adoption. All changes to the blockchain are peer-reviewed before being deployed, a process known as measure twice, cut once. Decrypt.co explains it best. All changes and new features introduced are developed, reviewed, and agreed upon by academics before being used. Users will have peace of mind knowing that their funds are safe. According to Crystal Blockchain, fraud and breaches resulted in the theft of $4.25 billion in crypto assets in 2021. This makes it difficult for new investors and organizations to enter the market. Cardano would appeal to institutions and capture market share from its competitors if it could demonstrate its safety. Number 3. Hydra Scaling Solution. Hydra will increase network scalability, making Cardano the world's fastest blockchain. Off-chain transactions will be used to accomplish this. Many transactions would be processed off-chain before the outcomes were settled on the main chain in this Layer 2 scaling method. Batching transactions reduces fees and speeds up transactions. After final deployment, Hydra can handle up to 1 million transactions per second, delivering more value to the Cardano ecosystem. Number 4. Staking is simple. Staking is one of the most valuable aspects of owning ADA. Cardano is a proof-of-stake blockchain, which means that users can delegate ADA to the network and receive compensated tokens. Users obtain rewards of 5% APY after roughly 15 days. There is no lockup period, so users can move their assets right away. Users also have complete control over their private keys, so they don't have to worry about their ADA being compromised. Investors can transfer their coins from an exchange and delegate them using the wallet's interface after building a software wallet. As a result, the Cardano delegation system is most user-friendly. Number 5. Sound Tokenomics. Users are protected from inflation by ADA's tokenomics. The entire supply of ADA is 34 billion, with a maximum supply of 45 billion. That means 75.5% of the maximum amount of ADA has been created. According to Zollberg Invest, the current inflation rate is 5.7%, and inflation is reducing dramatically every year. Additionally, once keys are lost, tokens will be removed from circulation. While 5.7% may appear large, after adding benefits, delegators face 0.7% inflation. Because staking is so simple, it is an investor's best advantage to do so. Although investors are still a little diluted, they are outperforming other currencies. What does this mean in terms of the US dollar and Bitcoin? The US dollar is increasing in value faster than the ADA. According to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, the Consumer Price Index, CPI, increased by 7% in December 2021 over December 2020. To stay up with ADA delegators, USD investments must yield at least 6.3%. The advantage of ADA is that it retains greater value than money. Outpacing fiat currency is, however, nothing new in the crypto realm. It's also crucial to compare ADA to its competitors. Number 6. EUTXO Advantage. The EUTXO model of Cardano has two distinct benefits over the account model of Ethereum. The EUTXO paradigm, for example, allows users to test transactions to determine if they will succeed before sending them. There's no need to worry about paying needless transaction fees, only to have a transaction become stalled. Furthermore, the cost can be determined prior to sending the transaction, eliminating the need to guess how much is acceptable. 2. An EUTXO model allows for additional transactions to be done in parallel if the same inputs are not used. As a result, transactions are more efficient. Cardano is already the third most popular cryptocurrency in terms of transaction volume, with fees of only $75,000 compared to Ethereum's $44 million. If the Cardano ecosystem can fully utilize the EUTXO technology, it may be able to overcome the limitations of account model blockchains and make transactions faster and less expensive. That's it for today. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on that notification bell so you never miss out on any future content we'll produce for you guys. We're signing off now, but we'll be sure to catch you all in the next one.